Hello! In this video, I'm going to discuss about series of examples how to define the domain of a given function. Example number 1. Suppose that f is a function from R to R and it is defined x times square root x minus 2. So this function has element x and square root of x minus 2. We know that the domain for x is the set of real numbers, but for square root of x minus 2 we know that x should be greater than or equal to, so the domain of f is equal to x greater than or equal to. Example number 2. Suppose that g is a function from, again, R to R, and g is defined as square root of 1 minus square root of x minus 1. We have two square roots here. First, the inner square root should be a number. We know that x should be more than 1. But at the same time, we know that 1 minus x minus 1 should be more than 0, meaning square root of x minus 1 should be less than 1, and then x should be less than 2. So the intersection of these two values are going to be x between 1 and 2, including 1 and 2. So this is going to be the domain of g. Now let's look at the last example. Suppose that h is a function from, again, real number to real number, and hx is defined as x plus 1 divided by x2 minus 1. We know that in a fraction the denominator must be always non-zero, so the domain of this function is all the real numbers minus the root of this x2 minus 1 is equal to 0, which x is plus minus 1. So the domain of h is basically the set of real numbers minus plus minus 1. Thank you.